So you want to go and determine what models are good for your given field. A lot of times there's sort of general benchmarks out there that already exist, but you might have a particular case that you're interested in. So in this case here, we have an example of from earlier. We wanted to see if 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. Maestro wasn't able to convince us, but would other LLMs, be able to do that? So we've built a platform that allows us to use Maestro as an orchestrator to basically take a given topic and generate different prompts, and then feed those prompts into a variety of LLMs, and then it will go and review it and score each LLM, letting you know what is the best for your use case. So here you can see we've already generated the two prompts for this. We're not going to go through it. You can also edit them. We're selecting 3 models here to test. We're picking the fastest ones for your convenience. We'll run that. As that's running, we'll show you sort of what's expected. So this one, I believe, was astronomy. And so here you can see we get an analysis in terms of quality and then also speed and cost, which is broken down in a bit more fine-grained structure here in the performance summary. And then finally, we have recommendations for, depending on what you're particularly interested in, what the best model would be. If we go back here, it's still running. We like to mention while we're waiting on that, that we ran into an initial testing with Maestro. We ran into this silly situation where it kept returning everything it was saying in quotes, and then it proceeded to gaslight us, telling us that it was not, in fact, using quotes, even though that is all it was doing. uh, so eventually we were able to get it to stop using quotes, but yeah, that was our bug that we found there. So we can see here, we have our generations and the metrics for it. We can see they're all roughly about the same in terms of quality. We can see here the actual detailed responses from each one for each question. And then finally, we have evaluations done by Maestro as well, giving a summary of the comparison between the different models and how well they did for the different portions of your topic that you wanted to learn about. So yeah, that's all. Any questions? No questions. Cool. Oh, no question.
Putting the pages on some kind of publicly facing ranking, like presumably every time you search, you're only getting results.
Yeah, ideally, like right now, this is mostly just sort of like a front end demo, just trying to put all the pieces together for like one-off use. But yeah, ideally, we would have a database that we build so that you'd be able to see your previous questions that you asked, and then potentially be able to add more models to it as well as new models release. We're using OpenRouter as our LLM provider, so theoretically, anytime a new model releases, you should just be immediately able to plug that in and go and see how it does on your evaluation suite. That's all. Thank you.